So I decided to rerun the wires. The kitchen was put in first, then wiring was done. So I can pretty much pull the wire where they did. This right here is kind of interesting. This is an outlet, and it must have been for a clock. So it's right above the sink. So it was wired in to be hot all the time in a plug. So I hadn't seen one like this before, but it's recessed. And then a little hanger there too. So I would say it was for a clock. So far, I pulled the light here. I'm not going to use the same light. Come up with something different. And ran one wire from there to there. Next, I need to decide how I'm going to do this. Am I going to jump from that one over to the switch? And then from the switch, goes down into the basement to the junction box. That's probably what I'll do. But I do have to I'll have to rerun this wire. There's two wires right now going up into here. One for the light, one for what was a clock, I'm pretty sure. So I'm thinking about, do I really need that receptacle up there? I would change it anyways, but do I really need one there? So that's what I'm debating right now. If I don't, then I'm going to pull one of these wires and then be one less in this box. Or even if I'm probably going to pull one anyways, because I could use that box there to feed to the light. So that's another option. Okay, we're slow progress, but we're gaining.